Hello everyone, this is me, Rashid. I'm here today to demonstrate one of our great services that students of our centers get, known as Instant Checker or IWA. You might have heard about it a lot from our students. This is a software or a platform designed to deliver the result of the tasks students do instantly. Yes, you heard me right. I said instantly. So I will demonstrate it today in this video. So bear with me for next 5 to 10 minutes. I will do one essay quickly, not necessarily rightly, just to show you how it works. Now, obviously, we recommend using Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox for our systems to be used. First of all, I am going to our website. Right, so for going to Instant Checker from our website, you can see there is a red tab here. You just need to click that. It will redirect you to the Instant Checker platform. You can log in by the credentials you will be given by the admins at the time of your enrollment. I'm using my one. So as you can see, I've logged in. There are three windows. There are three buttons that you can click on. One is for writing, where you will find essay writing, summarize written text, and summarize spoken text. In the reading section, you will find reorder paragraph. You will find multiple choice questions. Most importantly, you will find fill in the blanks reading and fill in the blanks reading and writing. In the listening section, you will find write from dictation. Now let's just try an essay at the moment. So jumping into my writing section. As you can see, it tells me how many essays and summaries I'm left over with for the day. It depends on different packages for the different branches. Now let me go to essay writing. Right, so I am in essay writing section. As you can see, there are lots of essays there to select to evaluate. Let me choose one of the essays here. Let's just choose this one. Employers of a company should take suggestions or ideas from employees in taking any decision. To what extent do you agree or disagree? I'll just write some general sentences for that so that we can submit quickly and we can see what's going on. Now, obviously, you can see for each and every section of your essay, there is a word limit given. This has been done to make you used to with certain number of word limits for each paragraph, because at the end of the day, we know if we cross 300 words, we're gonna lose our mark. Now, it gave me a limitation of 90 words of maximum for my introduction. Let's just write some of the something there. So, based on the question, of course. So I'm done with my introduction now. Let's try body 1. So I'm done with my essay. It's obviously not something great that I have written, just to demonstrate how the whole thing works. So for I've tried written more than 120 words so that system doesn't really give me 0. I've tried addressing just touching the issue that has been presented in the question, but not really answering it. Let's see. So once we are done, we click evaluate and it gives me answer, and it gives me a result, and exactly whatever I was expecting happened. It gave me only 33 out of 90. The main reason being, I have obviously introduced the topic. I've obviously used some of the keywords. Unfortunately, I did not have any logical or reasoned pattern in my writing. I did not have any cohesion and coherence in my writing. I did not have proper topic sentence, proper supporting idea, proper examples, and all those things. That's why you can see I've got only 1 out of 3 in content. Now, this is a good example of how the system works in PTE test. You will get at least 1 mark in content as long as you at least use some keywords. That's what I'm getting, but I'm not getting for any other marks for my cohesion, coherence, and all other things. I only wrote just above 120 words, which gives me 1 mark for my format. As we know, we need to write more than 200 words to get 2 out of 2 in format. I also got in development structure out of 2. I got 1 because I did not have a proper cohesion and coherence. Between grammar and spellings, 4 marks. I've got only 2 because whatever I wrote grammatically are nearly all right, and I had some spelling errors, so I actually lost that spelling mark. So I made more than 2 spelling mistakes, if you can say, according to this screenshots. So I got 0 in spelling. However, I got both of my marks in grammar because whatever I wrote was grammatically correct. Then in general linguistics, again, I got 0 because I did not have any things that I have used, I can say, linguistically well organized. And in vocabulary also I got 0 because I did not really use any academic words in my writing. You can say that it has obviously suggested me some sort of answer. It has suggested what I should write in the introduction or in body 1 and in body 2 and in conclusion. it also has suggested what are the mistakes that I actually made in terms of spelling and the suggested answer. One thing is obviously our software is using mostly of the American spelling pattern, but in PTE you can use both American and British, but it needs to be uniform for the same thing. There are some examiners advice, and most importantly, this evaluation, including the suggested answer, has been also sent to my email. Now, that means even if I close this one now or log out from this one, I can still access whatever I have done in my email, right? So this is all for today. This is the demonstration of how we use IWA, or Artificial Intelligence Writing Assessor, also known as Instant Checker. If you want to get these great services, please be in touch with us.